Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, I think the other student did not join up till now. Farwa,
Good morning.
am I audible?
Yes.
Let other student join, beta. I will start the class. Let me check how many students joined this time. Yes, beta. Have you done the quiz, Farwa, beta?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, today we'll be doing a new quiz of comprehension. Let other student join now. We'll be starting the new quiz. Very late, beta. You all are joining.
Teacher, first I have come.
Very good, Farwa. Very punctual you are. That's why. The punctual student always join the class on time. You know, really excuse because today I was not having electricity and internet now. That's why I've changed the timing. And from Monday, beta, I'll be taking Miss Javeria block and Miss Javeria will be taking my block. Is this clear? From Monday, I'll be taking Miss Javeria's class. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. The science block I'll be taking and Miss Javeria will take class at 4 p.m. Is this clear to everyone? Because at 4 p.m. we don't have electricity over here and our internet is also not working fine. So I really don't want to disturb you all. The subject is intro exchange. So join at 4 p.m. on Monday to Miss Javeria. Clear? Join her ID. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And I'll be taking Miss Javeria's class. That is the last class. Is this clear? Okay. Today we are having a quiz. As I told you all, we are having a quiz today. One quiz I already have shared you. How many students have done so? Do let me know how many students have done the last quiz. Okay, wait, I'll be sharing the link to you. Okay, listen carefully, everyone. Today we are having two quiz, so we have to do very quickly. The last quiz link I have shared a day before yesterday and yesterday as well. Fine. You will not repeat any quiz. Fine. Because the last quiz I have shared and few students were not able to complete that. Ali Ahmed, you did 3 times. So now you will not do the proposition quiz. Fine, bete. You will do comprehension quiz. Clear? Okay, students. Everyone write present teacher and do write your name in chat. Quickly give today's attendance. And Alishba, bete, you have Fatma, Mateen, Alishba, who are not joining other classes. Bete, Ammar, please, all of you, you have to join all subject classes, please. Fine, dear. Join all other subject classes as well. Okay. Aurelia is also joining us. Let her join. Then I'll be starting the quiz. Assalamu alaikum, bete Kirat. It's your first session. Kirat, after the class, I'll be guiding you how to join university and how to get assignment from there and how to submit assignment over there. Is this fine, Kirat? I hope you won't get any problem. It's your first session, so I will guide you each and everything. No issue with it. Ahmed Afzal, Farwa, please open the camera of yours. All the students should open the camera. Please, all of you. Okay, I'm sharing the screen. Are you all able to look at the screen? I'm sharing the link of quiz in WhatsApp group as well. Fine, dear. Just open the link. I'll be also showing it to you on a screen to you. Yes, I have shared the link in WhatsApp group. Everyone should open that link and start doing your quiz quickly, quickly. Quiz number 2, it's about unseen comprehension. The second one is about preposition. Okay. Look at this. This is our quiz. Are you all able to look at the desktop of mine? Raise the hand, please. The quiz is visible over here. Okay. Have you started to solve? Kindly start solving it. Your test time start now. Quickly open the quiz and start now, bete. This is your test time. Today I'm taking 2 quiz of yours. Proposition 1 as well and unseen comprehension. Two link I have shared in WhatsApp group as well. So quickly start doing it. If you're facing any problem, just do let me know. Raise the hand. I'll be explaining the question to you. Okay. Everyone, are you solving it? Raise the hand. Yes, unmute yourself, bete.
Teacher, what is the meaning of ruin?
Bete, whatever has been asked about the meaning, I will not tell it to you. The meaning you
No,
will
teacher,
find.
teacher meaning कोई और सी है, मैं वर्ड का मतलब पूछ रहा हूँ.
Wait. Okay. Okay. Let me share the screen to you. Okay, this is your quiz. Now, Ahmed Bete asked the question. Which word meaning you are asking right now? Yes, Ahmed Bete, unmute yourself. Yes, look at the comprehensions. Once a dog decided to travel, his mother advised him never be friendly with bad people because keeping bad company can spoil your character.
Cunning.
Bete, that is been asked in the quiz. How could I tell you the answer of the quiz?
Okay.
The vocabulary which I have asked in the quiz, I cannot tell answer to you. This you should write by yourself. Look at that. I have asked you in the quiz. Write the meaning of quiz. Look at that: cunning, advice, lure. Read the paragraph thoroughly and answer it. Read the context.
Yes, teacher.
From context, you will be getting all the meaning. Fine. Read sentence, the context. From context, you will be getting it. Okay, Kirat Shafiq is raising the hand. Wait. Yes, Kirat Shafiq. Beta, unmute yourself. Aurelia, just start solving the quiz, my dear. Open the link. Wait. Let me speak to Kirat first. Yes, Kirat, is your first session. Share, bete. Have you opened the quiz?
मेरे टीचर की आवाज नहीं आ रही. आप.
Are you getting my voice, Kirat, bete?
वीडियो बंद है.
Yes. Now share your problem, my dear. Share your problem. Let me check how many students are doing it. Okay. Yes, Aurelia, unmute yourself. Aurelia, unmute, share the problem quickly.
Okay. Miss, I'll come late, so can you tell me?
Beta,
क्योंकि मैं late आई
I
हूँ.
have shared the link in WhatsApp group. In WhatsApp group, I have shared the link. Just open the quiz page from that link and start doing it. 2 link I have shared it. Quiz 1, quiz 2. Fine.
Yes.
One quiz link yesterday I have shared again. And the second one, the new quiz, I have shared it. Fine, Aurelia, start doing it.
Okay.
Quickly do out. Okay, Umair is asking something. Yes, Umair, unmute yourself. Yes, bete. Speak up. Done quiz. You are unmute in. Bete, you are unmute, Umair. I'm unable to listen you. You are not audible. Check your microphone. Bete, please, Muhammad Fahad, open the camera. Zainab Zafar Alishba, all of you open camera. Farwa Fatma Mateen, bete, don't switch off your camera. Please avoid it. No one's supposed to switch off the camera. Yes, Ahmad, Ali Ahmad, speak up.
Teacher, I was asking that किसी की बातों में आने को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं टीचर?
किसी की बातों को आने में क्या कहते हैं? Became fool.
इंग्लिश. Don't comes in anyone talk.
Bete, to become fool by somebody or someone. Someone who made someone fool or someone who became fool by somebody.
Fool.
A good vocabulary you have asked today. Are you all solving it? Tick, tick, 1. Tick, tick, 2. Tick, tick, 3. Quick, quick. I'm checking the responses. Ahmed Afzal, Zainab, please, Bete Alishba, open the camera. Excuse students. Let me check who else is doing. Up till now, I got only one response. And do send your score in chat to me. Please send me your score in chat. Done, Fahad? You're looking here and there. Ahmad, where are you? Alishba, Zainab, open camera. Fahad, be attentive, focus. Have you started? Have you started the quiz? Are you doing it? Ahmed, are you doing the quiz? Okay, quickly do. After 5-6 minutes, I'll be telling all the answer with you. Quickly submit it. Done, Umair. Umair, unmute yourself. I did, and you are unmuted. Speak up. Today your microphone is not working. Who has done the quiz? Raise the hand who has done. Tick, tick, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have timing till 5 past 20, like 5 past 25. At 25, na beta, I have to end the class as well. Na? 5 minutes before. Stop that. Submit it. You are not audible, my dear Umair. Umair, you are not audible. I'm unable to listen you. You are unmuted, but I'm unable to listen you. No voice. Okay. Wafa done it. Very good, Wafa. Wait for the others. Together we will tell you answer. Have you done both? Do second one. Quickly do second one. If you have done the first one, start doing second one. Good job, Umair. Good, good, good. Okay, let me check the chat. What are you saying? I have unmuted you. You are not muted. The word desire meaning you are asking. Desire are the wish na bete. Whatever we want. Okay, Kirat Shafiq, I am unmuting you, please. Speak to me, Kirat Shafiq. Okay, Zainab Zafar, you are eating food. But quickly do, you have to finish the quiz on time.
टीचर
G teacher, done.
टीचर मुझे क्विज का वो लिंक आई नहीं है
Beta, I have sent in WhatsApp. I have shared the link in WhatsApp group.
व्हाट्सएप
छोड़ दो
पर
Two link I have shared.
यस
Everyone message me present teacher.
बंद कर दी
Ahmed, have you done both? Show me your video. Where are you? Disappear. Kirat,
क्लास रेड है
you also disappear. Farwa,
क्या कर रही
कहती है आपने देखी
मैं
खाना बंद कर दे दफा हो कर
quickly everyone.
रेड है ग्रीन
ग्रीन
Quickly.
बोलो ना
The link I have shared in WhatsApp group, open it and start doing it. Yes, Ahmed Ali, what are you saying? Unmute yourself.
टीचर आपने कहा ना मैं तो सेकंड वाला नहीं गिरूं मैंने 3 बार कर लिया है वो
G,
preposition वाला
now you will be doing comprehension. Do comprehension.
डन टीचर
Very
Done.
good, Alim. Very. I'll be telling all the answer. Now submit your assignment to me over there in university. Quickly. The last assignment which I have given you, submit me through university. Quickly. I will check. I told you now how to submit. Why you are disappear student? Come back. Ahmad, Mohammad Fahad, where are you, Farwa? I will remove those students. I'm telling you. Who will not open camera? Last warning for all. I'm removing. Please open camera, Aurelia. Zainab, Kirat, open camera. Otherwise, I'm removing.
ओके टीचर
Otherwise, I'm removing. Yes, Aurelia. Done quiz. Kirat, open camera.
यस टीचर
Okay, thank you. Okay. Smile, everyone. Thank you for opening camera. Yes. Ali Ahmed, you asked too many questions. They are very good.
टीचर कैसे भेजना है यूनिवर्सिटी पे
I'll guide you at 5:25. I'll be guiding after 2 minutes to everyone how to send assignment through university. Fine. Both the quiz done, Wafa? Okay, complete it. Yes, unmute yourself. Ask the question. Quickly ask. Unmute.
टीचर हम लोग अब तक सेंड कर सकते हैं
Bete, till the class time,
Okay.
you have more 2 minutes. As I take during the class time
Teacher?
test now.
Teacher, my mother mobile is not charged.
Okay, no issue. You can submit
It's
till
off.
you can submit after 15 minutes as well. Fine. Okay, no issue. Okay,
No,
student.
teacher. No, teacher.
हमने वीडियो तो देखी है.
No issue. You can submit today to me. Fine. It's your first
More
quiz,
than
first
two
test now.
preposition.
So I'm giving time to
In
everyone to
grammar,
submit
non-verbs can be
till today,
single word or pronoun
but
in
before
gender.
Maghrib.
Uppercase
Fine.
with several verbs.
कर लो जो इसमें आता
Huh?
कर लो जल्दी डिलीवर.
No sharing, please.
Compound preposition for words more than two words.
Okay, Fahad, unmute yourself. Fahad, unmute.
कौन सा असाइनमेंट वो कौन सा असाइनमेंट आपको भेजना है?
Bete, the last assignment which I have given you about application, about sentences, those you have to send through university. You have to give it to me, na? I will check it. I will check and give it back to you. So
आपके
send
पास
it.
वो
You did not send me, na? Send through university.
आप सेंड कर दूंगा.
Very good. Okay, everyone. I hope you will be doing the quiz. Now I am sharing a screen and the procedure how to submit assignment through university. Kirat, kindly watch carefully everything, all the option. Fine, and unmute yourself, Kirat. Kirat, bete, yes, bete, Farwa, speak up.
Everything that I have done on this latest laptop, I am confused how to send you the homework to university.
I'm guiding. Right now I'm guiding how to submit. Kirat, unmute yourself, bete. Kirat, excuse me, dear. Unmute yourself and share your problem because you are taking the session first time. Okay, everyone, I'm sharing the screen. So carefully look at the screen. First, you have to open the site university. Are you all able to look at that? University? Are you all able to look at this? Raise the hand, bete Kirat. Okay, Kirat, you are silent right now. Look at this. You have to log in university with the ID, whatever you have received from school. I am signing in. Now I have signed in. Clear? Here I have to sign in. I put my ID, my password. After signing in, I have to go to homework section. Homework section. Look at this option. Here all the homework will appear. Right now I have opened my daughter's ID. So they are showing my daughter's homework. Here there is a book icon. Look at this book icon. This option shows that you can submit your assignment from here. Click after the magnifier glass. We are having book, the book icon. Click the book icon. Yes, unmute, bete. Shamir, unmute yourself.
आपने कहा था कि अपने वो मोरल लिख ले अपने वर्ड्स में. जब मैंने अपने वर्ड्स में लिखा तो वो कह रहे ये गलत है, ये आपने दूसरा लिखना है. क्यों टीचर? कि अपने वर्ड्स में लिखना था ना.
Yes, bete, just write over there. I'll accept your answer.
और टीचर एक और भी था लेंथ वाला. उसमें जो क्वेश्चन था मैंने पूरा लिखा मगर उसमें नीचे लिखा हुआ रहा था लेंथ. मैंने पूरा लिखा पर गलत क्यों है?
No issue, bete. I will accept that answer. Just submit your score to me. Now, do let me know Did you get that from where you have to submit the assignment? Understood? Raise the hand, please. Umair, unmute yourself.
अब हो सकता हूँ ना?
हाँ, very good. Now you are audible. Speak up, dear. You have only 1
मुझे
minute.
आपसे बात कहनी है।
जी कहिए।
मुझे बात कहनी है कि वो आपको कब तक दे देना है क्विज,
बेटे,
कॉम्प्रिहेंशन वाले?
Today before Maghrib. Both the quiz before Maghrib. Because I have shared one quiz yesterday now, and one I'm sharing today. So I think 1 hour time is enough for you. During the class time, how long will you take for the test? Only 40 minutes now. But it's just first time you are doing it. That's why I've increased the timing. But in the next assessment, I will not increase the timing. I will give only 25 minutes to you. Yes, Shamir, unmute yourself.
क्या मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ कि मैंने टेस्ट पहले कल कर लिया था, तो वो मैं आज तो नहीं करूँ ना?
No, bete, you already had submitted the last one. Very good. Ali Ahmed done
Next time.
4 times. You can submit again to me. It's first time you are doing now, so you can do. Correct your mistakes and things. Do it. Because first time you are doing online tests. Are you enjoying it? Online assessment.
Yes.
Very good. Yes, Farwa, unmute yourself. Your class time is ended. Quickly ask Farwa.
Teacher, I am saying that my charging is slow, so I cannot do the second quiz.
No issue, beta. You have the time to complete. Fine. Still, you have the time to complete. Yes, Aurelia, unmute yourself. Have you done the first one? Very good. Have you started second one? Any problem here?
No.
Very good. Yes, Alishba beta asked the question, Kirat. Just because of you, I have shared the screen of university. I have guided you. And where are you? Alishba, got it, bete? Unmute yourself. Quickly, dear, unmute yourself.
टीचर
जी
टीचर मेरे में भी शामिर जैसे ही हो रहा है।
ओके बेटे, आप कर लीजिए. I will accept that.
टीचर मेरे हो गए।
Very good.
टीचर
Submit
मेरे
it to
हो
me.
गए।
Zainab, submit it to me.
दोनों हो गए।
Okay, everyone, I'm ending the class. Your time up. I will check your responses. Everyone should send me through WhatsApp the score of yours. Quickly, Farma, share. Quickly share. Beta, I have to end the class. You have the next class as well.
टीचर नेक्स्ट क्लास किसकी होगी?
बेटा, आपकी साइंस की होती है ना? मिस लाइबा की होती है, फिर साइंस की होती है. अभी आप मिस लाइबा की क्लास लीजिएगा, फिर साइंस की लीजिएगा. Allah Hafiz everyone. Take care of yourself because you have the second class. Quickly, Ahmed, Ali Ahmed, जल्दी.
टीचर शेयर कैसे करें हम व्हाट्सएप पे?
बेटे, आप मुझे प्राइवेटली मैसेज कर दीजिए. ठीक है? Thank you everyone. Unmute yourself, बेटे, quickly, Fahad. Send me a score of yours. Allah Hafiz.
स्कोर सेंड कैसे करना है?
मेरा बच्चा सेंड आपको कहाँ से करना है? आपको यूनिवर्सिटी से करना है. You have school copier with you. Okay, Allah Hafiz everyone. Take care of yourself through university. Through university. Now you have the next class of Miss Laiba. Allah Hafiz.